Alright, welcome to my residence, guys. Today we're going to be taking old Yeller there. I've got the mulching head on him, and we're going to start my property cleanup with just going down the perimeter of the yard and starting to push this overgrowth back, and that way it can start drying out naturally. And over time we're just going to slowly keep pushing the overgrowth and the trees and essentially just the woods back, and let things dry out. There's a creek that runs right down along the bottom here, about 15 to 20 feet in, so that's probably about as far as we'll be able to get to today, but it should be a pretty good transformation either way. You guys enjoy the video, and hopefully this will give you guys an idea of what a forestry mulcher can do. Alright, so as you can see, it is really coming some thunderstorms and rain today, but I did get a little bit done along this creek bank. I'm gonna go ahead and do this little after video before I put the time lapse up, just so you folks can see where I got along. I left these little stumps and stobs sticking up so I can come back through with the bucket and just rip those stumps out. So we got a pretty good little ways. Got this cleaned up pretty nice. Right down there, of course, you can see the creek where it follows. So I see what I've got to work with now, and we can maybe jump the creek on the next video. Hope you guys enjoy the time lapse, and if you're not a member of my YouTube family, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully we'll be getting more and more exciting videos, and you guys can watch these projects develop as we go along. Y'all have a great day.